I just woke up. Put this in the vlog, Dad.
Okay. Today, we're gonna do a quick unboxing on this Airbase Pro phone machine thing. Yeah. I got it for Father's Day today.
Yeah, today's Father's Day.
And you can either attach it to your dash or your windshield. I need this. I'm going to use it for shooting vlogs. Put it up on the windshield. And put my phone on there, and then I'll talk to the camera. So let's open it up real quick. Yeah.
They should make something as a dog camera.
That'd be a good idea.
That you can put on the dog, and then you could get an app on your phone and see where the dogs are going.
That'd be funny. Okay, let's open this sucker up. Do we need a knife? Let's check it out. Again, this is the Airbase Pro Premium Suction Mount. Supposedly it fits all size phones.
Robot thing. Even blah blah blah.
Oh, there is the instructions. Can you read the instructions?
It says it.
Wow. Oh, very simple. I love it. Just one little piece.
It says it can go here and there.
That's the same.
So that's what it looks like.
This is supposed to mount. I'm very confused. Okay, we'll figure it out. Let's go to the car, figure it out. Okay, we're in the car. I have the mount. It has this little plastic thing on the back. You pull that off, it has some sticky stuff there, and it's like a suction and stickiness combined. I've had a couple of these over the past few years, and after a while the stickiness, I guess it gets hot and it doesn't work, doesn't stick very good anymore after about a year or so. This is the third one that I've had. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean the windshield.
So it doesn't fall off?
Yeah. All right. Take this sticky stuff off. Here, can you hold the camera? Are you gonna hold take the sticky stuff off for me? Take the sticky stuff off. Okay. All right, let me see it. Now, I sort of already got an idea where I want to put it. And this thing right here, let's see, helps it suction. So, can you hold the camera while
Sure.
Don't get your finger in the way. All right. I think probably about right here is gonna be good.
Oops, my hat's off.
Oh no. I'm gonna guess about right here. So I'm gonna put that on there. You stick it on there good, and then you push this down, and there you go. I think the difference between this one and some that I've had before is this thing doesn't pivot down too much like the other ones did, but I do like this expandable thing. The last one I had was a magnet you put on the phone, and then it has a magnet here, and it would just stick to it, which was pretty cool. And it was supposed to actually charge at the same time, but the charging didn't work very much because I had a case on my phone, of course. So let's try this. Let's put this on, pull this down, and there you go. All right. Looks good. What do you think, Lenny Lou? So I guess I was worried that it wouldn't pivot down enough, but the windshield is so slanted. I didn't realize it when I was opening the box that it fits perfectly. Works perfect. What do you think, Lenny Lou? Look, and go this way with it too.
Okay.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Back to vlogging in the car. It's been a while since I've drove it around. This is the rearview mirror is in the way just a little bit. Oh well. Who cares? Who cares, huh, Lenny? So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing.
I'm tired.
If you want to get one of these, I will put a link in the description below and grab yourself one of these. They're pretty cool. Cheap, easy. Just the way I like it. So make sure to like this video. If you have any comments, leave below. Subscribe to my channel. I have all kinds of videos, like every kind of video you can imagine.
Caveman Critics.
Caveman Critics. Check out our other channel, Caveman Critics. I'll put a link to that below too.
Caveman Critics and Caveman Critics.
You like Caveman Critics? He said he wanted to be on Caveman Critics, but he doesn't like the food that we eat, so he doesn't want to. All right, good, it worked.
This is an invisible guy.
Oh yeah? Is that an invisible guy?
He's walking on your head.
You're so funny. Say bye, invisible guy. He's waving. You just can't see it.
Bye.